Alright, Chris, here's your 124 scale black Ford Explorer slash Interceptor Utility. A little tongue-tied there, it's probably from staying up late. Got it finished up for you. Went ahead and added these antennas to the roof. I know we talked about it. One of the little puck-style antennas, short, I think 900 megahertz antenna, and then a regular, what would be a regular length type mast antenna here. I'll take those off because they're going to come off in shipping in the box probably, because the box is pretty tight to the roof here. This one I'll leave on in the front. These other two will come off. You've probably seen it before in my videos. I know a lot of others have that see my videos. This is what I use to put those on with. It's pretty good glue to have around the house anyway. Dries clear, and it's more of a silicone type glue. So like if you want to take those off, you can just pull that off, and then it'll leave just a little bit of that silicone type glue, the glue on there. You can just rub it a little bit, and it'll come right off. So if the antenna gets knocked off, or you want to put them somewhere else, you can. And like I said, that won't affect the paint. Don't get it on the plastic; it will kind of fog up the plastic a little bit. License plates that you wanted are on there. U.S. government license plates. I added those. As far as the push bumper, they just melt those in place from the inside. So what I did with this one was took it off, and I'll stick it back in there. You can see that if you want to take it off, you can. It's easy enough. That way you don't have to take the car apart and deal with it. It'll just push right in and out. Now, if you want to make it permanent, again, you can use that same glue or another type of adhesive and glue that in place if you want to. Up to you. Sometimes it helps. Use a big Kentucky word, facilitate. Make it easier maybe to take the bottom apart to put the battery in if that's not glued in. Keep from breaking it off maybe, but it shouldn't interfere with it much, but you can do it how you want to. Folded the spotlights for you down since you didn't want them working. Folded those down a little bit as they would be normally. The front doors do open. That's all the opening parts on these models. The rear hatch or the hood do not open. Of course, rear license plate as well. As for our red and blue strobe in the grille, flashing headlights, flashing taillights, an all blue visor light in the front. Hooked up to one of my circuit boards to give you the triple strobes like you saw on the Brenda's Taurus. And in the rear you wanted red and blue, 6 across the rear, same type circuit board. Turn it on, power switch right here in what would be, I guess, the bottom of the, I don't know if that's the gas tank or actually the wheel, probably wheel well actually, where the, what you call it, spare tire would be in the bottom underneath the inside, the interior piece of the car in the lift gate, or the hatch area. Get that out in a second. Flashing headlights. You see your red and blue grille strobes. Up top, the blue triple strobe light bar. Golly. There you go. I think I'm the only one at work that hasn't gotten the flu yet, so everybody's missed at least 2 days, I think, this year already, and I haven't, so I've been pretty lucky. I'll take that little bit of a scratchy cough. Did some interior painting, as you've seen on my other builds. Added the decal to the laptop, interior light, or work light. See that there. On the rear, 3 reds and 3 blues across the back. Again, same patterns, triple strobes, which my camera doesn't pick up very well. And then, of course, your flashing taillights. Again, we've talked about the antennas, rear license plate. I believe that's it. So, there you have it. I appreciate the order, and I will get this shipped out to you tomorrow. Got a few other ones going out, so I'll just add yours to the mix. Chris, thanks again, and like I said, I appreciate the order.